Our first annual winter meetup was a good time last year. This year, it's going to be a great time. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I'll have more details coming up soon. It's our second annual winter meetup at the View Hotel in Wisconsin Dells. Details coming soon.
Hi, Pilgrim.
Wait, what? Pilgrim.
Well, here's the thing. You might think we're in October right now and on Halloween. We are going to skip now. We're done with Halloween. We're moving ahead to Thanksgiving.
Right.
Yeah. So Kelly told me about this thing that Firehouse Subs has, of all places. What is it? I'm gonna order it, but
Yeah, so it's
like
a
their Thanksgiving
sandwich with turkey,
Yeah.
stuffing, and cranberry sauce.
on the actual sub.
Yeah.
Okay, the turkey I get. That makes sense. There's stuffing and cranberries
Yep.
on the sub
Yep.
at Firehouse.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess that's what I'm going to do. We'll kind of review their Thanksgiving sub. Are you going to do that too, or are you going to get something different?
I'm going to try it.
Okay.
No, I'll try it too, yeah.
All right.
I'm not a big fan of cranberries, so I'm going to ask to maybe have like light cranberry sauce,
Yeah.
but we'll see if they do that, yeah.
All right. Let's go into the Firehouse and get our Thanksgiving on.
Subscribe to Maverick Hayes.
Go ahead, honey.
Okay, I'm going to do your Thanksgiving sub medium for here. Can you possibly do just light cranberry? Okay, perfect.
I'm going to do a medium Thanksgiving turkey sub.
Okay.
Everything on it's fine.
Okay.
What was that? Turkey breast, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and
Medium
mayonnaise.
size?
Yeah, perfect. Okay, fine.
Can I get a name, please?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Name.
Squeaky.
All right, 3098, please. Have a great day.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
Squeaky, thanks you. Gotta love the freestyle machines here. So, first off, it looks like my name was misspelled.
Oh, she didn't know how to spell squeaky.
I guess not. I'll show you the billing and everything, what we spent on in a minute.
What the heck?
I'm not sure what that is.
SQQ.
Sounds like a video game. SQQ.
Oh my god.
All right, so we both did the same thing. We basically got they come in what, a small, medium, and large,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so we both did a medium Thanksgiving, and you just went light on the cranberries.
Right.
And then Kelly just went with the water.
Yep.
And because I'm, trying to add to my belly here, I went with a pop or soda pop, wherever you're from. And it looks like our subtotal after everything came to just under $30 there.
It's expensive
So,
for a sub shop.
So-
Don't you think?
a little pricey?
I think so.
Yeah, with the newer pricing, nothing's cheap. I mean, everyone says after COVID, this is just kind of the new pricing, and it is tough to get used to, though.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I remember.
Fast food is
Yeah, and we
as
used to
much
do
as like a diner or
fast
something.
food. Yeah, it's like Denny's pricing.
Right.
Denny's pricing is now like there's like supper club pricing.
Yeah.
Supper clubs are and then you got to finance supper clubs. It seems so. Is what it is. Anyways, we are thankful that we are
Squeaky's
at we're at Firehouse Subs, and it's not squeaky though. I'm not sure what's going on there. If we were at Tommy Salami's
Oh, yeah.
and we had a wristband,
Yes, it would
the
be
drink
free.
would be free. Mm-hmm. But we don't have a deal set up with Firehouse Subs. Until they learn how to spell squeaky, we are not going to work with them. So, if you're new to the channel, Kelly and I go to places and they ask for my name. It's just whatever rolls off my tongue.
Yeah, it's never Maverick, that's for
Mm.
sure.
Today it's squeaky. This is somehow going to haunt me.
Why?
In this video, I just see in the comments all of a
Oh,
sudden.
be nice.
Yeah,
It's
a
just
squeaky
funny.
thing. Oh, I'm sure they're gonna have fun with me, and that's fine. That's fine. They're making squeaky sub right now. So, how to get those wristbands? I'm asked that all the time. So I'm starting to do some more meetups and like wristband stops, we could call them. And right now, that's the only way. Pretty soon, I'll have them set up online, or you can buy them online. But if you see us out and about, I do carry them with me as well. They're only $2. They do help support the channel. And I do work with a lot of local businesses in Wisconsin Dells where you can always get deals and stuff. Like right now, flash that wristband at Tommy Salami's. Pretend we're at Tommy's right now. This would be free. But,
Yeah, and they have great food.
oh yeah, Tommy's is really good.
You're gonna get copyrighted. Listen to Rick in the background.
Rick Springfield. He
Good
was
old
my
Rick.
very first concert.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I used to love him too.
Rick Springfield? Yeah. Wasn't he on General Hospital or something?
Yeah.
He was on a soap opera, wasn't he?
Yeah.
I think when people think of Rick Springfield, well, like everyone else, I can only name 2 songs. I know a bunch of them, but I can only name 2.
Right.
This one
Jesse's Girl.
and Don't Talk to Strangers.
Oh, is this Jesse's Girl?
This is Jesse's Girl.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't Talk
Or
to
you could put them
Strangers.
together and Don't Talk to Jesse.
Sure. Yeah, he had like 3 or 4 songs that I really liked.
Yeah. We are definitely 70s and 80s
Yeah,
people
we
when
are.
it comes to music.
Yeah, and 90s.
And 90s. Some 90s.
90s country I love.
90s country was good.
So good.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't want to ruffle any feathers out there. If you love country music today, hey, and we all have our things that we love. I just can't get into it. 90s
Yeah.
I thought was great, but
90s is so good. Yeah.
well, not for Squeaky.
Squeaky's not ready.
Yeah, Squeaky's not ready. Squeaky is ready, actually. Squeaky's hungry. Has the
Squeaky's hungry.
has the pinto arrived yet? Oh, there we go. Squeaky's getting served. We are excited to try your Thanksgiving meal here. There you go. Okay, coming on the Mayflower here. I'm not sure which is which. We'll find out. So we'll just dip our gravy
Yeah.
here.
Comment down below if you like cranberries. It's controversial. I think a lot of people really like it, and then some people don't.
Yeah,
And my mom used to, I will never forget, like a Thanksgiving memory of mine is like my mom would just right out of the can and plop it on a plate, and you could see like the ridges of the can, like cranberries.
That was what I
Ew.
preferred, though. The canned.
Yeah.
I don't like the
Fresh.
Fresh. Mm-hmm. It's a little bit more
tart.
sour
Yeah,
tasting
yuck.
to me, but
Yeah.
so okay, same weight. Do you want to guess which is yours, this one or this one?
No.
You'll get the one that you guess. How's that?
No.
Because the one's got the cranberry extra, regular, I should say. Oh, when do you get a pickle for Thanksgiving?
I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna pass on that. I'm gonna show you in a second. I just don't want to put my hands all over Kelly's.
I don't care.
So I'm just trying to figure out which one has a little bit more cranberry here. Remember, I'm going to guess. It's hard to tell. We'll find out.
Yeah, that one looks less.
A little less? Okay,
Yeah,
then I'll
honey.
handle this one. So there's some turkey on there. More here, of course.
Yeah,
Got the
and
cranberry.
it's like chunks of turkey, not like deli meat, like
Yeah.
a sub shop. Huh.
And then this is the stuffing. I'm sure it's very good. I love Firehouse, so I'm not going to try and judge. I'm not going to judge a book by its cover yet.
Yeah.
But at the moment, it looks like baby throw up.
Oh God. Well, you like stuffing though, honey.
I
so-
do, but
Yeah.
this, and I don't want to try it without eating the whole thing. But there's the stuffing
It
right
looks
there.
like stuffing to me. Probably not. They're not probably making it homemade.
It looks
back
like-
there, but ew. It's gross.
We may be old, but we're not boring. All right. And here is Kelly's.
Hey,
Since
you go first, since I.
you want me to go first?
Yeah.
All right.
And then gravy, if you want it.
I can't believe we're doing Thanksgiving
Yeah, no. Huh?
at Firehouse.
It
So-
smells good. It smells like Thanksgiving dinner.
It does. The bread is nice and warm. If you do have a Firehouse near you, it is a franchise, national chain.
Yeah.
You may want to try this. This should be at your Firehouse right now. Their Thanksgiving dinner. I'm just trying to get some gravy. There we go. Oops, I lost some on my turkey.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, and my stuffing. Squeaky's falling apart over here. Squeaky's going in.
He lost all of his things in there. Yeah, take a bite without the gravy too.
Do it without the gravy?
Messy a little.
It is. We're going to need a lot of napkins.
Okay.
Bear with me. Let me get some napkins.
Squeaky got the whole thing.
Squeaky's all set. You do this. Be prepared.
Okay. What do you think?
I think it's very good.
Oh, you do? good.
So one of my favorite things here is called the hook and ladder. And that is turkey,
Ham, turkey,
and
then
they got a
tomatoes,
great
onions,
seasoning
and then there's
on
like
there.
a dressing or
Dressing
something,
is
isn't it?
excellent. That is my favorite. That is still my favorite. This is
okay.
good. If I come here again, I probably wouldn't get this right away, but I probably will get this one more time before this comes off of the menu. Obviously, it's a special for going into Thanksgiving. But I think if I was to come here like 1 or 2 more times between now and Thanksgiving, I'll go back to my hook and ladder, or I'll do a meatball or something. I always seem to do the hook and ladder, though. That's definitely a great one. But this is good. The best way for me to describe this, it kind of tastes like a TV dinner. Not a bad one, though.
Yeah.
But if you could just imagine,
Like
when they threw all the ingredients together, it's all pre-made, ready to go.
Right.
This is like a fresh version of that. And it does taste fresh. The turkey tastes very good. The stuffing, believe it or not, it's messy. Sorry about
Good,
that.
honey?
It is very good. Do you want me to try and fish out my
No, it's okay. Okay.
floating stuff in there?
Nope. Yeah,
So-
it smells just like your Thanksgiving
Doesn't
plate
it?
would.
Yeah, it
Right?
smells like Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gonna do a little dip.
The bun is toasted. Let me see if I can show you where I saw it earlier. It's a little burnt there, but that's okay. It is toasted. It tastes, the cranberry does not overpower it.
Yeah. That's what I was just gonna say.
Yeah, it really doesn't. So if you don't like cranberry, you could always say no cranberry, but if you go light like Kelly did,
Yeah.
I went regular, and even with the regular amount of cranberry, it does not overpower it. The turkey tastes like turkey. It tastes like a good hot turkey. And Kelly's working on hers right there. And what do you think of it?
It's definitely different. It's good. It tastes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can taste the warm turkey, and I'm glad that the cranberry is not like overpowering, because I don't. A lot of times I don't like sweet and savory in the same like bite.
Yeah.
So I'm glad it just sort of complements it all. I think.
does.
I feel like
Almost
And
ties
the
it together,
stuffing's
doesn't
good.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the bread. One of the reasons why I like Firehouse so much is their sub. Like
Yeah.
the rolls are so good. They're fresh and really really good.
Yeah.
So I like it. Kind of like you. I don't like love it,
Right.
but I really really like it. And I think that if you like a traditional like turkey dinner, you need to try it for sure. Yeah.
Absolutely. If anything, it's novelty.
Yeah, I know
You know?
it is. Right.
And I don't think you're
Yeah.
going to leave here, if you enjoy Thanksgiving food, traditional Thanksgiving food, I don't
Yeah.
think you're going to leave here thinking, well, that was a waste of money.
Yeah, no.
I
I
don't think you
like
will.
it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, I'm with you. And the flies, like Kelly,
Oh my
I'm sorry,
gosh,
there's
yeah.
one in her hair right
Ew.
now. There's one flying around
Oh, I
her.
hate bugs.
So we all have something we like here at Firehouse.
Yeah.
The Kelly likes her Thanksgiving meal. The flies have Kelly. And
Oh my God.
Squeaky's going to try and get this out here shortly. So let me see if I can open this up here for you. Give you another angle. We're definitely going to go in here and just enjoy our dinner.
I like that it's like actual like chunks of turkey instead of like the deli meat turkey.
Yeah.
It makes it more like authentic to like Thanksgiving. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Like fresh turkey versus the cold cuts.
Yeah. I fully agree.
I like it.
I think they're onto something here with
Yeah.
this. I really do.
I like the novelty part of it, and it's
Yeah.
like, yeah, I'm glad that we tried it. It's good.
Well, we're going to jump into our Thanksgiving feast, and we're going to be thankful.
Yeah, it puts you in the holiday mood a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you with our final thoughts here at Firehouse. Well, it was really good. We really enjoyed it, yeah. We've got a YouTube channel, so we're going to throw this, just did a video on it, yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. You've seen the channel before?
Yes.
So I am here with Lindell, the chef. He prepared our Thanksgiving dinner. It was fantastic.
I'm glad you enjoyed
We
it.
really like it. And you said you've been selling a lot of these?
Oh yeah, they've been flying off the shelves. It's like the first time you tried, you're kind of skeptical, but
Yeah.
the minute you bite into it, you're hooked.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Hooked. Yeah, no pun intended, right?
No pun intended.
Well, thank you very much. Do appreciate it. It's
You're very
fantastic.
welcome.
And happy Thanksgiving.
Same to you. Have a great day.
Thanks. Take care.
What the heck? Sparky.
Squeaky.
So squeaky. Whoops.
Doesn't even have my phony name correct here. Squeaky.
Squeaky's got a hat fire hat on.
Yeah. Well, Squeaky gives this place a thumbs up.
You're crazy.
Yeah, you can get a free fire hat for the kids.
My head's big. It's not gonna fit my head.
It was good. I was very happy with it. You know, one thing that Squeaky's got a crooked hat here now. One thing that Kelly and I were talking about when we were eating this, it was like eating everything at once.
Yeah, like your Thanksgiving plate in one bite.
Yeah.
But eating it as a sandwich. Because
right.
the bread acts as like the roll, too, that you get.
Right. You got the roll, you got the cranberry sauce,
right.
You got
the stuffing, the turkey,
stuffing and the turkey.
Gravy.
It's gravy.
It's a cute
all
concept.
right there.
I like it. I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, and like we said earlier, I think I will definitely get it one more time before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
But I think if we go there one or two more times, because we do like Firehouse subs a lot, I will probably just do my regular hook and ladder, or maybe the meatball or something. That's my favorite, though, that hook and ladder. But
we tried it.
I am glad we tried it. I was just going to say that. I think, and if there's a Squeaky in your household, I would suggest you bring them because they'll love it. And they get a fire hat. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this off my head. This thing's on here pretty good now. Too small for my head.
Crazy.
So, but the one thing that we like about Firehouse is they're always friendly.
Yeah.
It's always clean. It's owned by fire. It was started by real firemen.
Yeah.
And they give back to the local fire departments.
If you have a roundup, that goes back into the fire department.
Locally. Your local one. Your community one. Yeah. And then they have all kinds of other charities and stuff that they do as well.
Yeah, with the community and things like that.
So even though it's a franchise, it is, in a sense, a locally... I mean, a franchise kind of makes it somewhat local, but a lot does go back into your community as well and stuff. So if you've got one near you, if you have never been to a Firehouse before... Really good. Do it. If you don't have one near you, go to their website, do a road trip, get the Thanksgiving dinner, ask for the Squeaky.
I think you could make that too, like at home. Interesting concept, right?
Yeah, it was really good.
It was good. I'm glad
we liked it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we will have some more fun food reviews coming up. Of course, there's always Wisconsin Dells here on the channel and more adventures and vlogs. We'd love to have you come along with us for the future videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss out when we upload the new videos.
Yeah.
Squeaky's out.
Bye, Squeaky.
All right, we got some business to take care of, as a pair of tickets for the Monster Mash Spooktacular Dinner Show in Wisconsin Dells is up for grabs right now. In the previous video, I just simply asked to leave a comment in that video if you were interested in going and winning a pair of tickets valued at $80 each. And we've got the YouTube comment picker all set and ready to go here. We'll place the link from this video here with the comments, see who we can get. And congratulations, Nitty13335. Nitty13335. I want you to leave a comment in this video. Leave me a comment in this video. I will connect with you. I will reply to it. We will connect then, and we will get those tickets to you. The tickets are good for any show Monday through Thursday at the Legacy Theater in Wisconsin Dells, across the street from the Wilderness Resort, for a pair of tickets for the Monster Mash Spooktacular. Have a great time, and congratulations to Nitty. Oh, and by the way, you'll have 10 days to get back to me. Otherwise, the tickets go bye-bye. So reply to this video in less than 10 days, and the tickets are yours.
Subscribe to Maverick.